Look everyone, it's Miles from Tomorrowland. That's right, it's the Miles from Tomorrowland Photon Flyer. It comes with Miles and Merc inside of it. You know what? This is like a remote control car that does all kinds of cool things. So I can't wait to open it up. Let's take a look. Okay everyone, here is Miles and Merc inside this cool photon spaceship. Right? So they can fly away. You push the button and they fly. And you know what? That would be pretty cool by itself, right? Just push the button and it lights up. But it does more than just that. Let's look at it in the dark, in fact. Okay, so it's kind of dark, so let's push the buttons. Whoa, look at it light up. And right behind Merc it lights up too. But you know what's even cooler? We've got this remote control. Now that's what happens when we push this button right here. So we gotta get it a little bit further away and push. It lights up. But that's not all it does. No. He's starting to spin. What's he doing? They're gonna launch off into space! Whoa, look at that! Pretty cool. Whoa, and you can pretend that they take off. Just like that. So that is a real cool thing. And again, you just push this button right here, and up they go. So first they light up, and then he slowly starts to rise. Then they start to spin, and you go blast off. But this toy does even more cool things. Well, when Miles and Merc are on a strange planet, they need to be able to drive around, so we can use this remote control. And they're able to drive. Whoa! Miles, good job, buddy. Whoa, look at that. How cool is this toy? It's a remote control car. It lights up like a spaceship and everything. This is one of my favorites. Man, I love remote control cars. Sometimes I think Rubble on the Double is going to be jealous. Rubble on the Double. Wow. Now it's kind of hard to see, but Miles and Merc are on the inside. But you can't take them out. So this right here won't actually come off. So don't try, because if you do, you might break it. And we don't want to break a cool toy like this. Now, this part comes with batteries, but the remote control needs 2 AA's. So make sure you have those handy too. So when you push the lift off, this thing right here comes down, and it spins, and then it comes back up. And then right here is the wheel for the remote control. So you can drive them all around, right? So Miles is a great driver with Merc. I'm a great driver too. Oh no, not Rubble. Rubble, you're not as good as Miles. There's no way. I'm better than Miles because I'm Rubble on the Double. Rubble on the Double. You know what? I just need a spaceship of my own. Rubble, you don't need a spaceship. See, you already crashed. Oh boy. So Rubble wants to race Miles. I don't know if this is a good idea. Let's see who wins. Rubble's is a little faster, but you know what? Miles is a little bit better. Watch out, Rubble. But you know what, Rubble? Yours can't do this. What can't it do? You can't do this. Alright, all he's doing is lighting up. It's not a big deal. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ah, I gotta get out of here. Ah, what's he doing? What's he doing? Ah, ah, ah. Oh boy, Rubble. That's gonna make a big mess. Well, everyone, I don't know about you, but I think this Miles from Tomorrowland spaceship is pretty cool. It lights up, it does cool things, it spins, and everything that you would want it to do. I think it's a great Miles from Tomorrowland toy. And it's actually one of my favorite shows, too. Here he goes! Whoa, wasn't that cool? Hey, and if you want to see a bunch of more Miles from Tomorrowland videos, right here it says subscribe here. So subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. And this way you can be one of the first million. Uh-oh. Miles, what are you doing? So make sure you can be one of the first 1,000,000 subscribers. And give us a thumbs up. or maybe a beak up if you're like Merc. So give us a thumbs up for a like, because we like likes. And we've got a secret spelling word. Our spelling word is just going to be miles. M-I-L-E-S. That spells miles. So if you can type that in the comment, you'll know how to spell miles too. That's right. All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it, and I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!